Welcome to Akone Kids, where curiosity knows no bounds and every day is an adventure waiting to happen. I'm your host, Dr. Ashok Rathoure, and today we're diving into something truly magical. Or is it scientific? You decide. In this episode, we'll explore the Wonder Workshop, a place where science meets magic and sparks fly. Have you ever wondered what happens when science gets a little mysterious? Imagine mixing potions like a wizard while learning about chemistry, or building robots that seem almost alive thanks to engineering. That's exactly what happens here at the Wonder Workshop. Today, we're joined by two incredible young inventors who are going to show us how they turn ordinary materials into extraordinary creations. First up, meet Ela. She's been working on her very own Rainbow Reactor. Tell us, Ela, what inspired this project? I wanted to make something beautiful, but also teach people about chemical reactions. When you mix certain liquids, they change color. It's like magic. And now, let's hear from Dev, our resident robotics expert. Dev, tell us about your invention. This is RoboBuddy. It can move, talk, and even play games. But the coolest part? I built it using recycled parts from old toys and electronics. Wow, these inventions really do feel like magic. But there's so much science behind them too. Now it's time for our favorite part, getting hands-on. We're going to try a simple experiment that combines science and magic. Ready? We're making a Fizzing Fairy Fountain. All you need is baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, and a little imagination. Step 1. Pour baking soda onto a plate to create a fountain base. Step 2. Add drops of food coloring for a magical rainbow effect. Step 3. Slowly pour vinegar over the baking soda. Step 4. Watch as it fizzes and bubbles dramatically. See? Science doesn't have to be boring, it can be just as exciting as magic. So why does science sometimes feel like magic? Well, think about it. Both science and magic are all about discovery, creativity, and wonder. They challenge us to ask questions, test ideas, and dream big. At the Wonder Workshop, we believe everyone has the power to be a scientist, an inventor, or even a magician. All it takes is curiosity and a willingness to try. Thanks for joining us on this magical journey through the Wonder Workshop. Remember, whether you're mixing potions or programming robots, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep wondering. Bye for now.